Right now, while you're watching this, something crazy is happening. And honestly, most people have no idea it's even going on. There's this thing called AI. And I know you've heard about it. ChatGPT, right? But here's what nobody's telling you. It just gave a regular person like you the same tools that billionaires use. The same advice that costs $500 an hour from a financial advisor, you can get it for free in like 30 seconds. I'm talking about right now, today, this week. But here's the thing. If you don't understand what I'm about to show you, you're gonna miss out. Not just on money, but on the biggest shift in how regular people build wealth that we'll see in our lifetime. AI can help you manage your money, and it's actually easy, even if you're not tech savvy. And this is happening right now, not in 10 years. So here's what we're gonna do in this video. I'm going to show you 5 super simple ways you can use AI to fix your personal finances. I'm talking about understanding your 401k, saving money on bills, planning for retirement, things that normally stress you out. Sound good? Cool, let's hang out. And I promise by the end, you're gonna feel way less confused and way more excited about what's possible. Ready? Let's do this. All right, so before we dive into the how-to stuff, let me give you some context, because I think once you understand why this matters, everything else is gonna make way more sense. So check this out. It's 1994. These 2 news anchors are sitting on live TV and they're trying to figure out what the internet is. They're literally asking, what is internet anyway? What does "at" mean? I mean, they're literally laughing about it. And honestly, I get it. It seemed weird. But then 20 years later, the internet created Amazon, Google, Facebook. It made thousands of regular people into millionaires. And the people who got rich, they weren't the smartest. They weren't the richest to start. They were just the ones who paid attention early and said, okay, let me try this. Now here's the thing. That exact same moment is happening again. Except this time it's AI, and it's moving way faster. The internet took years to catch on. ChatGPT, it got 1 million users in 5 days. 5 days. So like, this is big, and I don't want you to miss it just because it seems complicated, because it's really not. Okay, so here's the part that might stress you out a little. Big companies like Google and Amazon, they're laying people off because AI can do certain jobs faster and cheaper. But here's the good news, and this is really important. While AI is replacing some jobs, it's empowering regular people like never before. Think about it. Right now, one person with AI can do what used to take an entire company. You can answer customer questions 24/7 without hiring anyone. You can run a business that makes 6 figures from your bedroom. Listen, AI won't replace you, but someone who uses AI might. So the question isn't, should you learn this? The question is, do you want to be the person using it or the person wondering what happened? And I'm here to make sure you're the first one. Okay, so here's where we get practical. I'm about to show you 5 ways you can use AI today, like literally after this video, to help with your money. And we're using tools you already know about. ChatGPT, Google, most of it's totally free. You don't need to be a computer person. You just need to ask questions like you're talking to a really smart friend. I'm gonna walk you through each one step by step. Super simple. And trust me, if I can do this, you definitely can. Let's start with number 1. Okay, real talk. Have you ever logged into your 401k and felt like your brain was melting? And because it's so confusing, a lot of people just don't invest. They click out, they ignore it. And dude, that costs you so much money over your life. We're talking hundreds of thousands of dollars. But here's what you do instead. And I'm not kidding, this is ridiculously easy. Step 1, take a screenshot of that confusing page. Just screenshot it on your phone or computer. Step 2, open ChatGPT. It's free. Just Google ChatGPT and sign up if you haven't already. Step 3, upload that screenshot. Step 4, type this, and you can literally copy what I'm saying. Hey, I just started a new job and I want to invest in my 401k, but I have no idea what I'm doing. Can you look at these options and suggest a simple portfolio for me? Just tell me what percentage to put in each fund. And boom, within like 30 seconds, AI gives you a full plan. It'll say something like, put 40% in this S&P 500 fund, 20% in international, 15% in this one. It explains why in plain English. No jargon, just simple. Dude, this is the same advice that financial advisors charge like $300 an hour for. You just got it for free in 30 seconds. Action step. Seriously, today, screenshot your 401k options, upload to ChatGPT, ask for help. That's it. You just figured out investing. All right, next one. This one's gonna make you mad when you realize how much money you've been wasting. So, you know how you've got all these bills, right? Internet, phone, streaming services, gym membership, and you signed up for them like 2 years ago, and you just keep paying them every month, and you have no idea if you're getting a good deal or not? Like you're paying $120 for internet, but is that good? Is that bad? You don't know, so you just keep paying it. Here's what AI can do for you. Step 1, open your bank app. Heck, even just your bank statement. Step 2, take a screenshot of your monthly expenses. Step 3, upload it to ChatGPT or this other tool called Perplexity. It's also free. I'll explain it later. Step 4, type, can you find me better prices for these services I'm paying for? AI goes out, searches the whole internet, and comes back like, hey, you're paying $120 for Verizon internet. There's a promo right now where you can get the same speed for $50. One guy did this and saved $1,200 a year just by asking AI. $1,200. That's a vacation. That's 3 months of groceries. Action step. Screenshot your bills this week. Upload to ChatGPT or Perplexity. Ask, where am I overpaying? Let AI be your money detective. You're welcome. Okay. Let's talk about something that stresses everyone out. The stock market crashing. So imagine this. You finally start investing. You put money in, you're feeling good, and then the market crashes. Your account goes down 30%. You panic, you sell everything. And then 2 years later, the market's back up, and you realize you just locked in your losses. You sold at the worst possible time. Dude, this happens to so many people. It's not your fault. It's scary. But there's a way to prepare yourself so you don't.
Here's what you do. You take your investment portfolio, whatever you have in your 401k, your IRA, and you ask AI, how would my portfolio have done during the 2008 financial crisis? Or what happened to these investments during COVID in 2020? AI runs the numbers and shows you, okay, your portfolio would have dropped 35% in 2008, but it would have fully recovered by 2011. Now you know. You've already seen what a crash looks like. So when the next one happens, and it will, you don't freak out because you're prepared. Knowledge kills fear, man. That's the whole point. So next time, ask AI, how would my investments do in a recession? Get the answer? Feel more confident? Easy. Okay, this next one is about retirement. And I know, retirement sounds boring, but stick with me because AI makes it way less painful. So let's say you're trying to figure out when you should start taking Social Security. Should you take it at 62, 67, 70? You go to the government website and it's like reading a different language. And you're like, I don't know what any of this means. So you just guess or you don't do anything. And guessing about retirement can literally cost you tens of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. But here's the thing, you don't have to guess anymore. You can just ask AI. Let's say you're on a website called Open Social Security. You see a box that says discount rate and you have no clue what that means. So you open ChatGPT and you type, I'm trying to figure out when to take Social Security, and I'm on this website that's asking for a discount rate. What is that? Can you explain it like I'm 10? And AI breaks it down in plain English. No fancy terms. Just here's what it means, here's why it matters, here's what number you should probably use. Suddenly, surprised, you get it. You're not confused anymore. This used to require paying a financial planner hundreds of dollars. Now it's free, and it takes 2 minutes. So now, next time you're hit with a confusing money term, Roth IRA, 401k match, capital gains, whatever, paste it into ChatGPT and say, explain this simply. You'll be shocked how clear it becomes. All right, last one for personal finance. And this one's a little different, but trust me, it's powerful. So there's this guy named Matt. He's 50. He's got kids, and he wants to live as long as possible, like we all do, right? So he did something kind of crazy. He gathered all his medical records, 25 years of stuff, blood tests, x-rays, doctor notes, everything. And he uploaded all of it to ChatGPT. He built what he calls his personal health bot. He told it, act like a doctor. Your only job is to keep me healthy. And then he asked it, if I'm going to die in 5 years, what's the most likely cause? And it told him, straight up, no sugarcoating. It pointed out warning signs from old blood tests. It gave him a full report he could take to his doctor. It probably saved his life. Now, why am I telling you this? Because you can do this for anything, not just health. Your finances, your taxes, your budget, your side business. You can gather all your financial documents, upload them to AI, and build your own personal finance assistant. Just say, act like my financial advisor. Help me make smart money decisions. And suddenly you have this tool that knows your specific situation and can give you advice tailored to you. Action step.
Pick one area of your life. Could be money, could be health, could be anything. Gather your information. Build a simple bot. Start with something personal. You'll be amazed. Now, let me tell you what I think is going to happen. In the next 10 years, we're going to see more millionaires created than in the last 50 years combined. Not because the economy is booming, but because individuals now have power that used to belong only to corporations. One person can reach 1 billion people. One person can serve 10,000 customers. One person can build what used to require 100 employees. The tools are free. The only thing you need is the courage to start. Think about every major shift in history: electricity, the internet. The people who got rich weren't the ones with the most money or the best education. They were the ones who saw it early and took action. Right now, you're in that moment.
So, welcome to the finance AI era. This is the moment where money, technology, and opportunity collide, where a barista can have the tools of a Goldman Sachs analyst, where a single parent can run $1 million business, where you, yes you, can completely change your financial future, but only if you act. The window is open. The tools are here. The era has begun. Now it's your turn. If this video opened your eyes, hit that subscribe button, because this is just the beginning. I'm going to keep showing you exactly how to use AI to build wealth, fix your finances, and future-proof your life. The future belongs to the people who act.